Hello my dear supporters, today it is Train with Brain channel, my business gym on wheels. I have full car of equipment, barbells here, full trunk of plates, not so big weight. I'm not training, not everyone lift here so big weights as I do. I'm 2 times Florida champion already, beat Florida state record. For people who are watching me from Florida, Tampa Bay area, you can always contact me. Everyone can contact me and start trainings with me. But today I'm willing to show you just a Florida beauty, some communities, just a chill video without training. Want to show my friend coffee shop, maybe not inside for now, just where it is where I usually drink coffee. It is raining berries. It is not paid advertisement, it is just video for enjoying. Welcome to my channel. Hope you will enjoy it. Now I realize that I need to wash my window. And then after that I will show you the road to my gym. First, coffee shop where I drink coffee. It's, by the way, next to the gym, LA Fitness, where I'm from, were kicking out. It's a joke. It's a joke. I just lifted there 2 big weights. But there are special places for lifting weights, platforms, pretty good quality platforms. But it happens, it happens. Beautiful Florida. I love place where I live. Beautiful Sarasota. Beautiful homes. To me it is very beautiful because I went here 2 years ago from North Europe, Middle Europe, North Europe, in call whatever you want, from Latvia, about my life, a little bio about me. I will explain you, I will talk with you about that soon. Just write down your comments, watch this video, enjoy. Sarasota, Tampa Bay area. Love this place. And the gym, LA Fitness, from where I was kicked out. Funny story. Maybe I will go back there someday. Who knows? I hope so. It is great gym, by the way. Just sometimes, guys, don't show off. There is no sense. I honestly did not show off. I just lived. I just worked with my friend. We did training together, trainings long time together, and I lift weights. Nothing wrong, but they said to me, you are not allowed to train anyone here if you are not personal coach. They were right. And here is Raining Berries, the place where I drink coffee, my friend's coffee shop. Let's park my car. Let's park from back. Well, I'm at the place, at my friend's coffee shop. Let's go to drink some coffee. Here it is, the Raining Berries. Raining Berries, I said one my friend. Bimal, hello to you. And this is my friend Caleb. He made greatest coffee, and by the way, he is one of the greatest coaches for athletics. Am I right? Here in Tampa Bay area and full USA, by the way. And that pretty girl is Kaylee. Hi. She also made great coffee. It's a surprise to him. He will like it. Guys, this is the place where I drink coffee. The best place for coffee. Bimal, thank you. Eddie, hello.
Gotta love that hip mobility.
Okay, everything to you. When I made that video, I thought, yes, Caleb must have seen it.
Oh, I saw it.
I never filmed before such type of content, sorry. Well, that's how it's made in my coffee. Let me taste. It's mine, yes?
Yeah, that's yours.
It's a real. It's
no more train with brain. Sorry.
Haters. That's how I make haters. Okay, thank you very much, Caleb.
Hey,
I appreciate your
cheers.
work.